Hey foodies, welcome to CookingShooking. In this video, we are going to make a recipe of noodles lasagna. Yes, that's right. The taste of a pasta with noodles. It's going to be amazing. We are going to make it with some fiery vegetables. Let's get cooking. Let's begin the recipe. The first step is to boil the noodles. For that, here I have a big pan. In this, I am going to add 1.5 liter of water and then bring this to a boil by covering it. Once the water gets a good rapid boil, we will add salt to it. Here I am using 1 teaspoon of salt. By adding salt to boiling water, you can notice how the water rises so much. That is because of the rise in water temperature. Now we are going to add noodles to it. Here I am using one packet, which is about 180 grams of hakka noodles. Now give this a mix and boil until al dente, which basically means you do not have to boil it too much, you have to keep the bite in the noodles. After about 3 or 4 minutes, you can take one noodle out and then test it. If it looks good, then you can strain the noodles. My noodles are ready. Now I'm going to strain it and then we are going to wash it with cold water to avoid overcooking. This is because we are going to cook it again in the pan. The noodles are done. Now let's make the fiery vegetable filling. So here I have a pan. In this I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil. You can use olive oil or regular oil as per your preference. Once the oil gets mildly hot, we are going to add the garlic. Here I am using 2 tablespoons of finely chopped garlic. Along with that, we are going to add a red chilli sauce. You can use Sriracha or any red chilli and garlic sauce which is spicy. Now continuously give it a mix and cook for 2 minutes. This step will bring the fiery taste. After cooking it for 2 minutes in high heat, we are going to add the onions. Here I am using 2 onions which are diced. Along with that, 1 carrot which is diced again, and a little bit of salt so that our carrots get cooked. Cook for 2 minutes in medium flame. After that, we are going to add the beans to it. Here I am using about 7 French beans. Along with that, 1/4 cup of corn and 1 small capsicum which I have diced. Now give this a mix again and then cover and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. So the veggies are half done and it looks good. Now for the Italian taste, I am adding Veeba's pasta and pizza sauce. Veeba uses only quality ingredients to make this, and this sauce has a lot of herbs and spices which makes it perfect to add in pizzas, pastas and recipes like this one which needs the cake. 2 to 3 tablespoons of the sauce is what I am using, and after that we are going to give it a mix and cook for a minute. Now it's time to add the black pepper. If you are making this for kids, you can skip on the black pepper. Along with that, 2 tablespoons of coriander for freshness and about 1/4 cup of water to make it saucy. We do not want to overcook the vegetables, guys, because we are going to cook it in the pan again as well. Here you can see they are looking perfect, saucy and crunchy. Now we will take it out. Take it out from the flame. Now to assemble the lasagna, here I have a slightly smaller pan. In this I am going to add about 1 teaspoon of oil. The flame is medium. Over the oil we will place the noodles. You can use your hands or a pair of tongs as per your preference. After making a good layer of the noodles, we are going to add slightly more oil so that the bottommost layer of the noodles get crunchy. Now over the noodles we are going to add half of the vegetable filling and then spread it. You can also make a white sauce for this recipe and alternate the red and white sauce. Over the red saucy vegetables we will add some mozzarella cheese. Now repeat the process, add more noodles and then we will add the remaining red saucy vegetables and then some cheese. In the end, you will be left with a little bit of the sauce in the pan and some noodles. So what we are going to do is mix the noodles with the remaining sauce in the pan. You can also add slightly more of the pizza sauce and some fresh coriander and mix it with the noodles. This on top will look really good. Now quickly cover it and cook it in medium to low flame for 20 minutes. In 20 minutes, the cheese will be melted, the vegetables will be cooked, and the bottommost layer will get crunchy. This looks and smells done. Now I'm going to take it out, open the lid, sprinkle some more fresh coriander and then dig in. You might think since it is a lasagna made out of noodles, it might not hold its shape, but the cheese does the job really well. Now that is some absolutely perfect lasagna. Do try it, guys. So there you go, guys, our homemade noodles lasagna is ready. It is just as tasty as it sounds, so you should also try it and let me know how it goes for you once you do try it, guys, and share your feedback in the comment section down below. If you liked my recipe, give it a like. If you disliked it, dislike it. Oh yes, do follow me on Instagram at cooking.shooking for regular updates and subscribe on YouTube. See you next time with one more delicious recipe. Bye for now, take care, happy cooking.